In the well-connected village of Bottisford, homes at this level are few and far between. Private plots, generous proportions, and the kind of setting that balances countryside living with everyday practicality. This is a home designed to offer space in every sense. Set behind electric gates on a beautifully established plot, 26 Bifold Lane is a substantial 6-bedroom family home designed for modern family living at scale. Multiple reception rooms, extensive bedroom accommodation, and a layout that delivers both presence and practicality in equal measure. This is a house that adapts effortlessly to the demands of everyday living. Inside, the ground floor is arranged with clarity and purpose. A series of well-proportioned reception rooms provide flexibility from formal living spaces to more relaxed day-to-day areas. This is a layout that understands modern life, open where it needs to be, separate where it matters. And at the rear, this home opens into a kitchen, dining and sitting space designed to bring everything together. It's where the house naturally settles, cooking, entertaining and family time. Separate utility spaces and a dedicated home working area ensure that practical needs are handled without interrupting the flow of the main living areas. Upstairs, the scale of this home becomes even more apparent. 6 well-proportioned double bedrooms are arranged across this level, offering flexibility for family and guests. The principal suite is particularly strong. It's generous in size with a walk-in wardrobe and a beautifully appointed ensuite, along with a family bathroom and separate laundry room, ensure the home functions as comfortably as it presents. Outside, the gardens extend to 2/3 of an acre and have been thoughtfully designed to provide a series of usable spaces. Open lawns, mature planting and multiple seating areas are designed to enjoy different times of the day all year round. And the outdoor kitchen area adds another layer, making this home as suited to entertaining as it is to family life. To the front, detached double garage and additional studio space above, providing yet more practicality and flexibility. Positioned within Bottisford, the home benefits from a strong village community alongside excellent day-to-day amenities. For those needing to travel, the A52 and A1 are within easy reach, and the nearby train station at Grantham provides a journey time to London King's Cross in approximately 75 minutes. It's rare to find a house where nothing feels compromised, and that's exactly what sets 26 Bifold Lane apart.